Hey, stick around because there's a lot of technique involved in this song and I don't want you to miss it. Hey everyone, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitars start, and that guitar riff is from Walkin' on Sunshine. A fun 80s jam. I didn't know it was such a fun song to play on guitar. The vocals are a little harsh, so I'm gonna do my best to try and sing them later in the lesson, but I thought it'd be best to jump right into the guitar part, the stuff that I know how to play. Let's get into this lesson. Today we're gonna learn the chords, the order of the chords, the strumming for this song, and then the full progression, as well as do a play along at the end. So stick around for that, because we'll have a chance to play together. All right, grab your Loog and get ready to go. Speaking of which, I've got my Fender Loog Stratocaster. What? Yeah, Fender and Loog got together and they made a Stratocaster as a Loog. Whoa! I could go on about this for hours, but I do have a link in the description to my full review of this instrument. Does it hold up? Does it sound like a Stratocaster? You'll be the judge, but I also have my opinions. Check it out there. We have 3 chords that we're playing. An A, a D, and an E. Now in your Loog flashcards, this is how you're taught how to play an E. But I think this song sounds a little more fun, has a little more punch if we play the D up a whole step. A whole step? What do you mean by a whole step? Well, each fret is a half step increment. And so a whole step is 2 half steps put together. Imagine it like cookies. You have 2 halves of a cookie. You put them together, you have a whole cookie. You got that right. So 0 to 2 is a whole step, 2 to 4 is another whole step, and that's what we're doing. We're moving from the 2nd fret shape of a D up a whole step to the 4th fret. And that is an E. It's the same sounds, just in a different inversion. Again, I'm using a lot of music terms. Don't worry about them, but if you are interested in music terms, you should check out more lessons I have about actual music playing by ear and how it all goes together. If you have any questions about this, please leave a comment in the comment below, and I'll get back to you, I promise. A, D, slide up, E, back to the D. That is the chords that we're playing today. If you need to, pause this video right now and work on those chords, and then come back when you're ready. Hey, welcome back. Okay, so the progression was kind of what I hinted at there in the chord progressions that we were doing. A to a D, up to an E, back to a D. And that repeats over and over again. Da, 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 Now, how do we strum that? To give it that full energy that you hear in the original recording, you get this kind of cool horns section and a lot of drums, a lot of energy in this song. The technique involved in this song has both to do with my strumming hand and how I am squeezing and unsqueezing, or what they call double stopping the chords, okay? So the A, I'm playing, right? So what I'm doing is I'm playing and I'm unsqueezing, but I'm not letting my fingers come off the strings. That's not what I'm doing. I'm doing this. I'm just a little unsqueezed. So it's like squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, hold. And it's 3. And then we get 3 more with the D. Same kind of thing with these 3 fingers. I'm squeezing and releasing. Squeeze, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze. Hold. notice that I'm stopping the sound by just lifting off of the fretboard. It automatically stops the sound when the strings come up off the frets. Kind of cool. That's why I want to play the E with the same shape as the D. Woo, there's a lot going on in this. You ready? Let's do this again. So I'm gonna go. Notice that up, down, I'm holding it. Hold, up, hold. Down, down, hold, up, hold. All right, so that's the verse, yeah? So that's all the verse. The chorus, woo, welcome to the chorus. So much easier. Is E to D, very easy. I'm walking on sunshine, oh, I'm walking on sunshine, oh, I'm walking on sunshine, oh, and don't it feel good? Oh yeah. Wow, this is such a fun song to play. Okay, I'm having a good time. I hope you are. So I think it's okay if you just literally just give yourself a break and strum and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you could keep strumming if you wanted to as well. We could just do eighth notes, like straight eighth notes. No, that doesn't sound good. Yeah, rock eighth notes sound good. It's such a fun groove. Let's go nice and slow through the first verse and the chorus. Now that we have our chords and our progression, that's what we're gonna play right now. Any play along. Okay, here we go. Whew. I'm gonna use some of the lyrics here, cause you know, I got a lot going on in my head to teach you this song, just to be honest. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I used to think maybe you love me, but now baby I'm sure. And I just can't wait till the day when you knock on my door. Now every time I go to the mailbox, I gotta hold myself down. 'Cause I can't wait till you write me to tell me you're coming round. I'm walking on sunshine, oh, I'm walking on sunshine, oh, I'm walking on sunshine, oh, and don't it feel good? Yeah. Oh, wow. Well, there you go. That was the best I could give you for that play-along version. I know I played pretty fast up-tempo, but I wanted to challenge you with the ability to change those chords quickly. So come back to this video, watch it, play along with me, work on your chord changes. Man, surprisingly fun song to play, I have to say. Awesome stuff. I hope you had a good time. If you're having a great time, make sure you hit that subscribe button. There's so many songs to learn on the Loog that proves that Loog is a real instrument and you can play rock songs, 80s songs, any song you want. And if you have a song in mind, make sure you leave it in a comment below. I'm going to add it to the queue and I will get back to you with a lesson for that song. I promise. All right, we'll see you next time.